Let me tell you something that might annoy you a little. If you give a losing trader the perfect strategy, the perfect indicator, and the perfect entry model, they will still find a way to lose money. But if you give a profitable trader a mediocre strategy, they will still find a way to make money. Why? Because profitability is not about the strategy. It's about what's going on inside your head when the market starts moving against you. Today, I'm going to show you the secret mental game of profitable traders. The part nobody talks about, the part that actually separates the traders who survive from the traders who blow account after account. And trust me, I learned this the hard way. If you're watching this video, chances are you already know how to enter trades. You know what support and resistance is. You know what risk to reward means. You've watched hundreds of strategy videos. Yet somehow, your account balance still looks like it's on a consistent downtrend. I've been there. I've blown accounts. I've revenge traded. I've moved stop losses. Just a little bit. I've entered trades I knew I shouldn't take, just because I didn't want to miss out. And at some point, I realized something painful. My biggest enemy was not the market. My biggest enemy was my own mind. Now let me tell you the biggest lie traders believe. Many traders say in their head, once I find the right strategy, everything will click. That lie keeps traders trapped for years. They jump from strategy to strategy, indicator to indicator, YouTube video to YouTube video, always thinking, this one will finally be the holy grail. But let me be blunt. There is no holy grail. Profitable traders don't win because their strategy is magical. They win because their mental rules are stronger than their emotions. Let's talk about how losing traders think. And I know this might sting a little. A losing trader thinks, I don't want to lose this trade. Let me just move my stop a bit. What if it reverses without me? I'll increase my lot size to recover faster. Did you notice something? Everything is about avoiding pain. Losses feel personal. The market feels like an enemy. Every losing trade feels like proof that maybe I'm not good at this. So the trader reacts emotionally. And emotional reactions are expensive. Very expensive. Let me tell you something embarrassing. There was a time I would open a trade and immediately start staring at the chart like it owed me money. I would zoom in, zoom out. I would change time frames, check lower time frames, check higher time frames, as if the market would suddenly say to me, oh bro, I didn't know you were watching. And anytime price moved against me, I'd start negotiating with the market like, okay, please just come back a little. I won't ask for much. But I didn't know. The market does not negotiate. But on the other hand, a profitable trader would believe. Losses are business expenses. My job is execution, not prediction. I don't need to be right, I need to be disciplined. One trade means nothing. Please note that again. One trade means nothing. This mindset changes everything. Profitable traders don't emotionally attach to trades. They emotionally attach to their process. Now, here is the real secret most traders never master. Profitable traders think in probabilities, not outcomes. A losing trader asks, will this trade win? A profitable trader asks, did I follow my rules? Huge difference. Because when you trade probabilities, losses don't shock you. Drawdowns don't panic you. Wins don't make you reckless. You understand that anything can happen on any single trade. Just like flipping a coin. You can get heads 5 times in a row. But over time, probability always plays out. Let's talk about emotions. Fear, greed, hope, regret. These emotions are normal. You're human. The problem is not feeling emotions. The problem is letting emotions make trading decisions. Fear makes you exit early, skip valid setups, and reduce position size randomly. While greed makes you overtrade, oversize positions, and ignore your rules after wins. Hope makes you hold losers, move stop losses, or refuse to accept reality. And regret, it makes you revenge trade. Here's something nobody tells you. Discipline is a muscle. If you don't train it, it's weak. Profitable traders didn't wake up disciplined. They built discipline by taking losses without revenge, closing trades when rules say exit, sitting on their hands when there's no setup. Discipline is boring, and that's exactly why it works. My very own turning point came when I stopped asking, how do I make more money? And started asking, how do I lose better? That sounds weird, right? But once I learned to accept losses quickly, keep risk small, and stay emotionally neutral, everything changed. My equity curve didn't become a rocket ship, but it stopped looking like a heart monitor. Here's a powerful mental shift. Stop seeing yourself as, I'm trying to make money trading. Start seeing yourself as, I'm a risk manager who happens to trade. Profitable traders protect capital first. Profit is a byproduct. If you focus on survival, you will stay longer in the game. You will gain experience. You will develop confidence naturally. Most traders fail not because they're stupid. They fail because they want fast results. They want excitement. They want validation. But trading rewards patience, consistency, and emotional maturity. Trading is one of the few professions where doing less makes you more money. Let me give you some mental rules profitable traders live by. 1. Predefine risk before entering. 2. Accept the loss before clicking buy or sell. 3. Never move a stop loss emotionally. 4. One trade does not define me. 5. The market owes me nothing. Write these down. Seriously. Now, if you take nothing else from this video, remember this. Your strategy gets you into trades. Your mindset keeps you profitable. You don't need a new indicator. You don't need a new course. You don't need another secret setup. You need emotional control, risk discipline, long-term thinking, and those things can be trained. Now, if this video hit home, do me a favor. Hit the like button. It helps push this message to traders who need it. If you want more real trading psychology, not hype, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. What is the hardest mental challenge you face in trading right now? Please leave your comments. I read the comments, and your struggles might become the next video. But before I leave you today, remember, the market is not against you. Your mind is just learning a new way to think. Trade safe, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next one.